Welcome to Accelerator Pedals. I'll be your guide for the 2009 Hummer H3T Accelerator pedal.
This is the power supply. It takes 3 AA batteries. Line them up like this. Use some copper wires at the edges and attach the positive and negative wires at the ends. Verify that you will have about 4.5 volts coming out. That is close enough for testing to the 5-volt system in your car.
The multimeter should be set at 20 volts just like this. And the plug from the pedal should be facing towards you like this, with the pedal at the bottom like this. The positive from the multimeter and the battery should connect up to the first pin just like this. The negative from the multimeter should connect up to the second pin. Then the negative from the battery should connect up to the sixth and final pin. After doing this, it should be reading about 1.5 volts in the idle position on the multimeter. After that, when you press it down, it should end at around 2.0 volts. You are checking for spikes and glitches during these tests, so make sure you're checking for those. For the second potentiometer, the multimeter should still be set at 20 volts, just like this. The positive from the battery and the multimeter should connect up to the third pin. The negative from the multimeter should connect up to the fourth pin, and the negative from the battery should connect up to the fifth pin. After this is done, it should be reading about 0.9 volts in the idle position on the multimeter. As you press it down, it should end around 3.3 volts. After doing this, you should also be checking for spikes and glitches during the test.
So in this example, you can see that we are pressing down on it slowly and letting it rise up. And it looks like that this is not having any problems. It doesn't have any glitches or spikes. If your pedal has a spike or glitch, time to replace it. Our website shows when we have them in stock. We ship them from Ohio and we'll send it out right away. Check out the pinned comment and in the description for the link to our website. Thank you and have a good day.